I have the common oil filter cap leak where oil is able to leak out of the valve cover fill port. Gonna try to do a temporary quick fix with taking apart the oil filter cap, the gasket, cleaning it out, and trying to make sure it's a very clean, flush mounting surface. So I'll try to film some steps. It's gonna be kind of dirty, but yeah. All right, so I'm sorry for the very poor lighting. So it looks like the oil filler cap, the previous owner already had added 2 O-rings to try to resolve it. But the thing is, I've seen where when you're doing oil changes, you leave the cap upside down and oil makes it past the 2 seals. It stops it from sealing properly. So here it is fully taken apart. I'm gonna just spray some brake cleaner and clean it all out, make sure it's nice and dry, and reattach the O-rings, and hopefully that holds me over until I have a permanent fix. All right, not sure how well this is gonna show, but O-rings are moved out. Still need to kind of wipe down all the surfaces. O-rings are clean and dry. So this is the original one that comes with the oil filler cap, and the previous owner attached the second, which is a common method. So hopefully this works. Alrighty, here's the final product. Let's hope it seals. Upside down, it's okay. Just an update regarding the oil filler cap. Took it out for a relatively good drive, 20-25 miles. No signs of leaks, fingers crossed. Could be the upside down cap.